Okay.
No, to December 2022. Bo me AY life na Asaba. Lanre we sim you go there around. We won't do AY life. I say even if I get shy, they cancel. I must send picture, send their picture. Yeni na name man ke funny bono, man ke onyanjo when na 1 naira. Onwe do yen sia na ti picture. Yeni yen chodo mu waji akam. Mba yan na gwa ga go kwam big. I go Ogbuefi.
Yes.
Had go big. So we nke funny bone mu ji aka m kpọ flight m kwụgwọ hotel m. Before nke funny bone ana m eje shows na Lagos na alahụ n'oche. Gba nwe bono ye mam na. Yeah, before a while, before Ogbuefi self, when ka word just so I go talk. So nke a jibo the same thing. Mụ na akwụgwọ hotel gba flight mee niile. So nke a nụnwa nsi okay, nsi Lanre okay na nọ m ya na mma abịa. So I now 25th December nje. Ha lodge them. So I can jechaze. Ebe aka AY no we is we kwuo no ya kponje London. That the first place obuzoku no ya kponje London. Can make me introduce on stage. This is a guy I've seen. He's doing well. He's good. You will love him. I'm going to put him on our train of going to you when we are going to UK. Otakosi we make me introduce. So look at the show. Make we him after that shows. Elu ebe February after December January February. Phone ring. Pick here. I say, is this Ogbuefi? I say, yes. I say, my name is AY Ayomaku. Ntibe me na come AY call me for phone. AY call me for phone. I say, this man, calm down. I say, me market man, how you doing now? I say, I'm fine. I say, I don't know if I can put you in my show in AY Life Easter Sunday in Lagos. Are you free? I say, am I free?
Over free, they worry you.
I say, even if I know free, even if then they bury my papa, I go leave that burial. Come your show. I say, so how is it going to be? Say, and there is no way it's going to be. I'm coming. I say, okay, Lanre go call me, make I send my pictures and all that. Before Lanre, I send their picture self. From that day, can be doing very hazard.
Inwe la akọpụlụ iche ịchọ ka ụwa nọ. Inwe ife dị n'obi ịchọ ihu Gbam. Inwele ife dị omimi ịchọ ka onye ọbụla malụ. Onwele akala aka izole ezo ịchọ ka ụwa fụ na inwe passion for. Bịa na Gbam ka ụwa n'onu yi. Inwelu business ịchọ ikwunye n'ọkụ. Onwe product ịchọ gosoro na Gbam. Ịchọ ka ife ị na-ele, ife ị na-eme na-aga as viral as Gbam. We are here for you. Contact the number on your screen. Ka ikwunye n'ọkụ ka ifu na ọ na-eme. Adamuaka, Gbam is the biggest Igbo interview in the world. Come and find out for yourself.